Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how to enable text chat in Brawl Stars. So first up, open up your Brawl Stars app, as you can see on your screen. And then here, tap on the three lines at the top right-hand corner of your screen. And then select on Settings. Now from here, you'll find an option which says Mute Team Text Chat. So here, if you want to enable your text chat, you just need to turn off. Now, if you don't see this option here, so maybe you just need to make sure that your age is 16 years old and above, and also make sure that you are not on the guest mode or guest account. So make sure that you have just logged in or sign up with your Supercell ID so you can access this feature. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.